What's up? Coach Haas here, nationally certified fitness coach, as you can see, busy dad of two, helping you, busy bro, how to lose 10 to 15 pounds without starving. So, especially if you're over 30, it's going to be helpful. So here's how to cheat without ruining your diet from Bigger, Leaner, Stronger, right? So he's actually encouraging you to have a cheat meal, not a cheat day. So don't eat the Dunkin' Donuts all day or the ham and cheese all day or the mac and cheese lasagna all day, right? He's talking about one meal having psychological benefits, right? And studies show also hormonally what it's going to do for you. Here's why. All right, so that Christmas dinner, you can, so to speak, if you've been in a diet for so long, right? It's going to help something called your leptin levels. So by 3 to 10%, which increases fat oxidation. It basically means that it's helping you reset your body after basically like going crazy on a diet. So that's one. Number two, people are more happy, right? Psychologically, and this is what it talks about. Psychologically, it makes sticking to a diet easier, knowing that you're not eating just BS all day. And by BS, I mean like the salads, the shakes. Oh, that's BS to me, right? I mean, do I do it? Yeah, because like my wife tells me, my doctor tells me and all that stuff. But like, do I enjoy it as much as some great lasagna? Hell no. But I know I can't eat lasagna all day. If I were, I would have, like high blood pressure and sugar levels on that. But I know at the end of the week, when I'm having my cheat meal, I feel great. It's psychologically easier. And it's saying that it even boosts some testosterone levels as you restore those hormones. So this is all great stuff for us bros here, man. This is right from here. Make sure you read the whole thing so you get the full context, right? I'm not saying go ahead and eat everything today, all day for the next 7 days until the new year. I'm talking about one cheat meal, after you've done your thing and you're on a good diet or a good lifestyle change and you're doing what you have to do. Yes, a cheat meal is, I think, warranted. And the reason that I feel so passionate about cheat meals specifically is because I was a master cheat mealer after I was a wrestler. So after I made weight, losing 10 pounds a day, right? Basically, the first thing I was eating was basically, lasagna and pasta and all this stuff at the tournaments. And I'll talk about the next video. And, obviously I overdid it, but it made me feel a little bit better, right? It made the weight cut suck less. It made me not feel so miserable. I'm not saying that it was right. I'm just saying that I dieted for so long that my relationship with food was like toxic, like Will and Jada, right? It was crazy. And most people are feeling like that during the holidays. Like they're going at the table and they're feeling stressed because they don't want to gain weight. I'm telling you right now, have a little fun, indulge a little bit, and then recommit, okay? And then you're probably going to do the same thing next week before the new year, okay? So if this was helpful, like, comment, sub.